Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's video is on how to log into mbna account, which stands for Maryland Bank National Association. So follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you guys. Before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to the channel, then don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press on the bell icon for more updates. So let's get into the video. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and search for www.mbna.co.uk like this, and it will take you to the official website of mbna. Once you are here, you can see the login button at the top right hand. Just click on it. And once you are here, enter the username of your account and password of your account. Here you can click on the show to confirm your password like this. Here you guys can mark the checkbox before remember my username to stay logged in. But if you guys are using public or shared computer, do not tick the box. Okay, then click on continue. You should be able to log into your mbna account. Also, if you guys forgot your password, you can click on forgot your login details to recover it. So that's all for this video guys. If you find this video helpful, like the video and comment down your thoughts. See you guys in the next video.